Hi, it's Eitan. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am trying to learn the secret to the perfect New York style bagel. I'm here at Black Seed, the iconic bagel shop located in Bushwick, Brooklyn. It is a little chilly outside, but it's going to be warm inside because it is bagel baking time. As a Jew, I am obligated to enjoy bagels, which I do, so I could not be more excited for this. Let's get inside. All right, I'm here in the kitchen of Black Seed with my man Tony.
Yes, sir.
Tony, I grew up in New Jersey. I've always eaten New York style bagels, and I want to know the real secret. Everyone says, is it the water? Is it the people? And I want to know, what is the secret to the best bagels possible? And I noticed everyone here is wearing a hat.
Yes.
So I was given a hat. I'm not usually a hat man, but today I will be.
It looks great on you, buddy.
Thank you.
So the first thing is the flour. We use a King Arthur high gluten flour. It's a local flour. We get it from Vermont. And also, our secret is the honey. So we have our apiaries, whereas a lot of other bagel shops use malt syrup, these different syrups. We use honey. So that'll give us a nice flavor, it'll give us a nice color. And then malt powder, which gives it a nice chewiness, gives it a nice golden color, and it helps with the rising of the bagel. So, and a little bit of the water too.
A little bit. I've heard that the water is kind of a myth.
No.
It's true? It's true?
Yeah. All right, so let's get started.
Awesome, let's do it. How many pounds are we rocking with?
This is a 50 pound thing.
Pounds.
We get about 70 of these for 3 days. Slit in the freezer.
Wowzers. All right, I'm not going to Equinox today. This is my workout. Okay. All right, get there.
There you go.
Okay, this is harder than it looks. Let's just be clear. Wow, okay. Well, that was amazing. Thank you so much for having me.
Measuring all the stuff. So we have our honey.
I'm a big honey man, so I love that.
And these are from our apiaries in the Catskills.
Now, how large is this mixture? This is not your mom's KitchenAid.
This you can do about 100 pounds of dough at a time.
Wow.
Once this stops, we're gonna stop it and we're gonna add our malt and our salt.
Do you use yeast or sourdough?
Yeast.
Yeast, got it. All right. I make that every Sunday morning.
We don't want our salt and our yeast touching at this stage, because what'll happen is it'll
instantly kill it. Yeah.
So then we just put it on the other side.
So that's yeast and malt powder?
Yeah. Yeast and malt together, and then the salt on the other side.
Well, the honey smells incredible.
Right?
That really hits you.
And then once the yeast mixes in, you're gonna see a nice color. It's gonna it turns. If you take the malt powder and you put a little bit of water in it, you basically get like a candy. So it kind of, the reaction with the dough, once it bakes, you're gonna see the bagels are like super nice and chewy. It's gonna be awesome. So now we're gonna let it go for the fast mix.
Can I do the honors?
Yeah, go ahead.
I love clicking buttons.
All right, so now we're just gonna take, so I feel it?
Yeah, this is a glutinous dough.
Yeah.
My gluten-free mom could never. All right. Oh my God, that's heavy. I'm just a man with some dough. Okay. Oh my God, just lift the bagels, get the guns pumping. 1, 2.
One more set.
3.
One more set.
4.
There we go. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a little spray, a little nonstick spray. We're gonna spray it on our table. All right, so now we're just gonna kind of line up our dough.
Great.
And put it over here. And then spray the top. You have the ceremonial slap.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Okay, so what is this? Is this the Bagel Maker 5000? Or what is this?
So it's our bagel-lover machine. We hand roll our bagels, but we also do wholesale, and the amount of bagels we do is just astronomical.
Yeah.
So this is our bagel former. We basically feed our dough in here, and then it portions it, comes out through there, and then it kind of goes down here, and it just kind of forms it and comes out the ends.
Wow. This is one of the coolest pieces of machinery I've ever seen in my life.
It's a lot of fun.
How do we do this?
All right. So basically, we're going to take a strip like this.
All right, so we're kind of rolling into a large log.
Yeah. So what's going to happen, we're going to feed the dough.
Okay.
The dough is going to come out, so I'm going to show so you can put it in there.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Put it in
All right, feed in the machine.
I'm going to show you the first round, because once it starts, then it comes. So I'm going to show you the first.
Oh, okay, we have our first one coming. Wait.
So
it's a bagel!
Is you're going to go 1, you're going to pass it, 1. 1.
Oh my God.
1. So, I'm going to feed the other log, and then we're going to get you.
Okay, I'm going to get myself mentally ready. Okay, I'm at the ready. Woo, it's crunch time. Okay.
It's bagel time.
It's bagel time and crunch time. Okay, can I keep up? I don't think I've ever been more nervous in my whole life right now. Okay, no, we don't need that one. Okay, bagel one. Okay, these come out significantly faster than I anticipated. Okay, bagels there, bagels there.
All right, you're a natural. Look at
Okay,
that.
oh, they're already falling. Okay, great. Thank you, bagel. Oh, great. Okay. What this is? Woo! Okay.
You have to line them up, make them lined up all nice.
Oh, lined up all nice.
Yeah.
Lined up all nice. Oh, great. Thank you, bagel. No, bagels. Please, bagels. Give me a minute. Okay. Does the machine have a beginner mode on it? Oh, I survived.
You did. Not bad. B+.
B+. I will take that for my first. I love honesty. Okay. All right, into the fridge.
We have bagels that we made yesterday because our bagels are a 24-hour ferment. So whatever we make today stays in the fridge for tomorrow. All right, so now we're gonna grab our dough. So, here you go.
There we go.
All right.
Fermented bagels coming up. Bagels coming through. That looks like a witch's cauldron in the best way possible.
So Montreal bagels are poached in honey water. So that's gonna give it like a nice golden color, a nice flavor. But also one of the things that we do, instead of cooking it in a normal convection oven, we cook it in a wood oven.
Wow.
That just gives the bagels a nice smoky flavor. We're gonna dump all of our bagels inside. Get some in there. And do a little.
Oh my God, this looks so fun. All right, just a man adding the bagels into the cauldron. Oh God, I feel like a bagel witch in a good way though.
So what you really want.
All right, let's get our.
Here, so we'll put a couple in there. Now we're gonna really.
Ooh, oh, this is fun.
Everything mixed.
This is very enjoyable.
So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you really get a lot on there.
Wow. Okay, this is more fun than I anticipated. Tony and Eitan making bagels. All right, I'm here with Nico the baker. Please walk me through this. This is very exciting.
All right, yeah. So we're gonna load these bagels up into the oven. They're gonna take roughly 20 minutes to bake. 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the other side, and then in 10 minutes, we're gonna pull them out and we're gonna flip them.
Oh my! Wow. Okay.
And steady, easy, steady. We go right in,
Wow.
and we go all the way to the back there. Okay.
Oh, and you leave it in.
We leave it in. Yeah.
That's why they're so burnt. Okay, I
Yeah,
was curious.
There you go.
Oh my God. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
you got
Okay.
it.
Oh wow. Okay. And into the.
All the way into the oven. Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah.
That is one of my proudest achievements I've ever done. I can smell the bagels.
Yeah, they're cooking, baby.
Wow.
Look at these golden brown.
Those look like pillows of heaven.
Just flip them over.
Flipperoo.
Flipperoo.
Flipperoo. Another. Whoa, those are hot. Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And
Now
back in the oven. I will.
All
Wow,
right.
what a joy. All right, I'll do the honors.
Yeah. Please do.
And oh, whoa. Okay.
You got
it's
it.
like walking on a tightrope, but for bagels. Okay. And down.
Perfect.
And flip and flip and flip and flip. And now we're gonna bake for another 10.
Yep. Oh,
and
yeah.
back into the oven for another 10 minutes. Woo! This is great. Hello and welcome to Eitan's Bagel Making Masterclass. All right, ready? Bam! Oh my God. Try it. Ooh, fresh out of the oven. From the oven into the mouth. What more could a Jewish man want in life? All right, it is now time to enjoy the fruits of my labor. I have their veggie bagel right over here with veggie cream cheese, tomato, cucumber, and avocado. Honored to eat this. Wow. That is just incredible. The outside crust is super crunchy. The soft is nice and soft and pillowy. It is super chewy, which is super important. I mean, you hear that crunch? That's a delicious bagel. This was so much fun. Thank you so much, Black Seed, for having me. If you want details about Black Seed, they'll be in the description down below. And be sure to subscribe for videos, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching, and comment down below, what do you want to see the behind the scenes of being made? I really want to try like going to like a beekeeper. That sounds interesting. But any other ideas, give me down below. All right, I'm now going to just enjoy my bagel, my state of bagelness, and I'm gonna go home. I have some bagel. Well, okay, wait. I have to give them back their apron. Time to go home with my bagel. My bagels are already in the car. Bye.